Welcome to eVision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join eVision, join job.
Hi, myself Lokesh. I belongs to Chennai. I completed my graduation in the stream of mechanical engineering from SKR Engineering College in 2019. After my graduation, I searched jobs in Naukri. I know about iVision Tech Private Limited. It is IT recruiting and consulting, providing 100% job placement. I joined iVision in June 27. They providing knowledge about networking fundamentals, Windows administration, Outlooks, ITIL, and Office 365. So I learned the practical and theoretical knowledge. The staffs are very providing good knowledge and supportive. Now I have selected in SIFY Technology Private Limited. I have a package of 2.64. If you guys are looking for opportunity in IT field, let's join our iVision Tech Private Limited. Thank you.